Hey gamers! Looking to upgrade your rig in 2025 with a new graphics card? Whether you're gaming at 4K, chasing high FPS, or just want to make sure your system is future-proof, the right GPU can totally transform your experience. Today we're breaking down the top graphics cards that will give you the best performance for your gaming setup. Let's dive in! First up is the ASUS NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. This thing is an absolute powerhouse. It's packing 32 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM and can hit up to 14,000 megabytes per second read speeds. With PCIe Gen 5 support, it offers some of the fastest data transfer rates you can get. Whether you're gaming at 4K or working on AI projects, this card will handle anything you throw at it. The TUF RTX 5090 has 21,760 QDA cores and is optimized for both gaming and content creation. And with its advanced cooling system, you can push this GPU to its limits without worrying about overheating. It's the card you want if you need raw power and future-proofing. Want a GPU that handles everything? Check the description for the link to the ASUS RTX 5090. Next, let's talk about the ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070X TOC Edition. If you're looking for an AMD GPU that doesn't skimp on performance, this one's a beast. With 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 VRAM and a boost clock up to 2.99 GHz, it delivers excellent performance for 1440p and 4K gaming. The Axial Tech fans and dual ball fan bearings make sure this card stays cool during those long gaming sessions. This card supports PCIe 5.0 and has the latest HDMI/DP 2.1 ports for high-quality displays and ultra-fast data transfer. Plus, its dual BIOS feature gives you extra stability and flexibility in case you want to overclock. Want to stick with AMD for your build? The ASUS Prime RX 9070XT is the perfect choice. Link in the description. For those of you who need a solid balance of price and performance, check out the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 Founders Edition. With 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM and 10,752 CUDA cores, this card delivers smooth performance in 1440, PCIe and 4K gaming. It has a boost clock up to 2.62 GHz, so whether you're streaming, gaming, or editing, you'll get flawless visuals and performance. It's also got PCIe Gen 5 support, making it ready for future upgrades. The sleek, efficient cooling system ensures your card stays at optimal temperatures even during intense gameplay. Looking for a solid all-around GPU? The RTX 5080 might be the one for you. Check out the link in the description. Next up is the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. This one's for gamers who need solid performance but don't want to break the bank. With 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM and a boost clock of 2.69 GHz, this card handles 1080p and 1440p. Gaming like a pro. You're not going to be running 4K ultra settings, but for the price, it delivers great value. This card also features DLSS4, giving you sharper graphics and faster frame rates with less load on your CPU. Plus, it has a dual fan cooling system, so you'll have less noise while gaming. If you're building on a budget but still want great performance, the RTX 5060 Ti is a smart choice. Want solid performance without breaking the bank? Check the PNY RTX 5060 Ti link in the description. Last but not least, we've got the ASRock Intel Arc B580 Challenger 12 GB OC. Intel has entered the GPU market, and the B580 Challenger is a great option for 1080p gaming. With 12 gigabytes of GDDR6 VRAM and up to 2,740 MHz boost clock, it gives you smooth performance for most gaming setups without burning a hole in your wallet. Its dual fan cooling system keeps everything running cool, and it's compatible with both PCIe 4.0 and HDMI/DP 2.1, giving you the flexibility you need for modern displays. If you're looking for an Intel GPU that delivers decent gaming performance, this is a great option. Looking to try Intel's GPU lineup? The ASRock Intel ARC-B580 Challenger is available in the description. Check it out. And there you have it, folks. Our top graphic cards for 2025. Whether you need ultimate power for 4K gaming, a solid option on a budget, or a future-proof card, there's something here for everyone. Be sure to check out the description for all the links to grab your next GPU.